Assalamu alaikum, Sheikh.
Alaikum salam to Allah.
Sheikh, I read on your website that you said that bargaining is allowed in a respectful and moderate manner. So does it mean that, Sheikh, if a customer insists a lot to the seller that please give me this price, please, does it mean that the sale will be haram?
No, no, no. As long as you're not forced to do it. He can beg. He can bargain from here till Fajr time. No, please make it 5 instead of 10. I'm the seller. I said, sorry, I can't. Please, I beg you. I'm on my knees. Sorry, I can't. Khalas. End of story. Let him beg from here till Fajr time. The sale is haram when he forces you. When he brings your uncle and he brings your grandfather and they say, come on, give him a discount. Come on. And they are compelling you and you agree because you're compelled. You're forced. Now the sale is haram. But for him to insist from here till doomsday, there's no problem in that. Whether it's from the back passage or from the front passage, it doesn't make any difference. While the Hanafi school and the Maliki school of thought say that this does not break the wudu because it does not come from the usual passage. When the Prophet used to talk about this and teach his ummah to perform wudu if they hear a sound or find a smell or an odor, this was in regard to what was known to everyone, which is what comes from the back passage, from the anus. This is passing wind that breaks the wudu. But what comes from the front passage of a woman, this is an issue of dispute, and the most authentic opinion is that it does not invalidate the wudu, it does not affect a woman's purity